Have you ever thought of putting soap in your garden? It may sound strange, but this simple trick can protect your plants in ways you never imagined. For centuries, soap has been more than just a cleaning tool. It was once made from rice oil in Japan and olive oil in France, and even believed to keep away bad energy. But today, gardeners have discovered another powerful use for it. Here's how it works. Take a plain bar of natural biodegradable soap. Gently rub it on the edges of your garden pots, raised beds, or even around the base of wooden frames. You don't need much, just a light coating is enough. This invisible layer creates a barrier that stops ants, spiders, and crawling pests from climbing up because it erases the scent trails they use to find food. Without these trails, they lose their way and stay away from your plants. For extra protection, grate a little soap and sprinkle it on the soil around your vegetables or flowers. If you prefer, dissolve soap shavings in water, then spray it gently over the leaves. This natural shield helps guard against aphids and other tiny pests while being completely safe for your plants. Such a simple garden secret, yet so effective. Try it once and you'll see the difference. Protect your plants the natural way and let your garden thrive. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.